This is a company factory where they repair and refurbish cars. This is a company. This is the yard that you are seeing. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of companies around here, all the corners here. The road as well, very quiet, very neat. You see their fences. In most parts of Africa, you won't see this kind of fence. Just take a look at the fence, as long as it is. Is this a fence? This is just an ordinary mere wire. This is just a wire that a plier can cut. But as you can see, this fence has been here for many years. This is a fence that fenced a company, a big company. Look at another apartment again of a company. Look at the same fence. Now cross to the other side, you see living houses, buildings here as well. Look at their fences. Take a look at the fences. Dual fences, not even up to the waist of a human. Just the nail size of a leg. Some are high, but majority of their fences are very dwarf fence. And like as I'm saying, look at the street. Very quiet, neat. You won't see people flocking around the street, making noise up and down. Look at the fence. Look at house. In fact, can Africa, any place in Africa, have this kind of fence? Just look at the fence. The fence is not even up to the nail of your leg. Look at another fence again. You can imagine. Then look at the building inside. Then there is a factory working inside right now, as you can see. Then here is a living house as well. Take a look at the fence. Just imagine. Take a look at. Then you look at the road. You won't see people flocking, moving about. Just take a look at the street, the road. Is there any people selling market at the corner of the street? Have you seen anybody moving, flocking the street? Look at the street. And people are living here, walking here as well. People are living around all these places. Just look at the site. Look at the fence. Look at sites. Company. Industries. People. Now this is a steel company. As you can see, steel company. Iron, when I mean steel, not steel by thief, but steel company. Look at another site again. Look at building inside there. You see? Look at their buses applying the road. Look at the road. No soul on the road. No human on the road. No people flocking around the streets. And this is how Europe is all about. They have center where people trade. They have center where people move. But in majority of their places, in majority of their streets, their living environment, you won't see people flocking, misbehaving. You see? Look at, this is a children playground. Every summer, they play here, they come here for their relaxation. You see? Now, the other side, here is an hospital, medical center. This is a medical center. The bus you are seeing coming, the blue bus, this is their town service bus. This is a post office. You see, look at the environment. No people flocking. As you can see, no people flocking, like as I said. Look at the whole of the street. As long as far as the street, You won't see people flocking. You won't see people making noise. Look at the fence again. Oh, what an amazing thing you can see. No fear, no ambush, no people thinking bad thing, no people coming, entering people's houses, no people attacking people, doing all sort of atrocity against their fellow one. In Europe is very, very rare. Not even at all. Not even at all. Look at their houses. Look at the fence. Is this a fence? A fence that you can even just throw and cross with your leg, enter the compound, but you won't try it. You won't go inside. Just take a look at all the buildings that I'm showing you people. Is it not amazing? This is called fearless country, fearless living. You don't think of evil thing, and people will not go and plan against people. Now look at the opposite side as well. You see, look at offices as well. Look at the fence. Take a look at the fences. Well, I've been on this route trying to tell people, educate people, let people know. As you see this picture, this video, like and subscribe, and I will bring more of how life is all about to people in Africa, especially how the life need to be for our people. Everybody should shun violence. Everybody should shun bad things. Everybody should think of positive things, so that the life in your environment, in your country, will be peaceful, will be free as is. Don't allow the government, don't look into the government bad to harm your fellow human around your state, around your street, around your house, around your vicinity. If you want to face the government, face the government. Well, like as I was saying, this is a gym house. This is a gym house. It's a new here. They just relocated to this place. You see the environment. This is a gym sport house. You see, gym where you do exercise, body fitness, and the rest. Look at it. Do you see any fence? No fence. Look at where I'm coming from. Far back, down. There is nobody flocking, people selling, hawking, markets, riding, doing all sort of polluting the environment. Nothing like that. The same thing as where there are streets. There are places where they live, very quiet. They have center where they go for recreation. They have places they have time of doing everything. Okay? So I will end my talk here, and I will end it here. See, like, subscribe, and write to me. I have more to send to you all. Thank you.